This is a swarm. Swarms aren't real dangerous as long as you're careful with it. You can even touch the bees and they won't bother you because they have nothing to protect. So they don't have that hive instinct yet. What they're swarming is there's a queen in the middle of that somewhere, and it's the new queen. And you can see some of them are dancing. That means they're scouts. They're coming back saying, "Hey, I found a place. I found a place." And after a while, if enough of them do it, they will go there. Now, what I'm hoping to do is have them go here. And I'm going to try to
Pull
entice
one of
them
those up.
with a little bit of honey in here.
Gotta take a couple out. Just so they get one.
Okay,
That's wax.
that's wax. That's where they've started, some of them, a long time ago. I'll leave it open. Okay, hopefully, let's see if I can entice one of them here. Come on over. Come on over. No, apparently not.
Okay.
Here, look here.
I'm gonna shut it off.
Okay,